So what are the pros and cons of collision insurance? I can't think of any cons other than whatever the premium is, but when you purchase car insurance, that portion of your premium for collision coverage is usually not a big percentage. It's usually not that expensive. Collision coverage pays for property damage. So remember, it doesn't have anything to do with protecting either you or other drivers for injury claims. Collision coverage pays to get vehicle damage fixed, or if vehicles are totaled, it pays for the value of those vehicles. Definitely a smart move to have collision coverage. Accidents happen. You may somehow, some way cause an accident. And if that happens, you're going to be on the hook for the damage you caused to that person's vehicle. You're also going to have to repair the damage to your vehicle. That's where collision coverage comes in. I can't think of a good reason not to have collision coverage. If you don't have collision coverage, it's not going to stop the claims against you. It's not going to stop the fact that now you've got to dig into your pocket to get your vehicle fixed. And you now ultimately you're legally and financially on the hook for getting the other vehicle fixed. So protect yourself if you're driving. Accidents happen to every one of us despite the best intentions. So go ahead, purchase collision coverage. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or chat with us live at trialpro.com.